Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of these Python interview questions, the next interview question is what is mean by del keyword? What is mean by del keyword in Python? When we are going to use this del keyword? See, very simple. If we want to, if we want to delete the reference of that object, the reference of that object, so then we can use del keyword. So when we are going to use this del keyword, if we want to delete reference of the object, then we are going to use this del keyword. Okay, very simple. Sir, don't worry, I will take example so that you can understand very clearly. See, consider I'm taking one object like A is equal to something like 52. Like this I'm taking. Sir, in this case, what will happen? We know very well. A memory location is going to be created with the content 52. And what is the name of that memory location? Is it A or not? Yes. Since this memory location is occupied by or referenced by a reference variable, definitely garbage collector won't delete that memory. So print of A, you are going to get 52 as the result. Even you can get identification number of that A, which is going to give some random value. Even we can't able to decide that value, what you are going to get. Sir, later I'm going to take A is equal to none. A is equal to none. If you print A, we will get the object as a none. Even if you want, you can get ID of that object also. Some random value we are going to get. Sir, if you want, you can see. What is the difference between these two? Sir, reference is there. Reference is there. We deleted the content. In that place, what will happen? We assigned it to something like none. Sir, okay, fine. If I use del of A, what will happen? That reference will be deleted permanently. Once if the reference is deleted, this object is not a dependent object, it is independent object. Means what? There is no person is attached to this object. So by default, it is eligible for garbage collector. Garbage collector is always looking for these type of objects only. Means an object is existed without any reference. Means first garbage collector is going to eat that object. So that what will happen? That reference will be deleted permanently. Now onwards, you can't ask A, we will get error message. If you want, you can see. Sir, is it telling name error? Array, the name A is not defined. How you can able to expect? Like that, we are going to get which error? Name error. This is nothing but what is the purpose of which keyword? Del keyword. We can use a del keyword to delete a reference of the object. This is nothing but the main concept what we have. I hope you understood very clearly. Okay, right. Thank you, friends.